All right, let's do this. This is lesson 1.1. Here we go. Kia ora, nau mai, haere mai, and welcome along to Conversational Reo Māori in 7 days. My name is Anton Matthews, and I will be your kaiako over the next 7 days of learning. Firstly, I want to congratulate you on taking the step to invest in yourself and to learn how you can go from having never ever spoken any Reo Māori ever before to being able to have a basic conversation completely in Te Reo Māori in just 7 days. Now, I need to point something out to you quickly before we begin. 7 days doesn't mean 7 consecutive days. Look, if you fully commit to this, you can absolutely smash through all of the mahi in just 7 days. But if it takes you a month or so to get through all the course content, that's totally fine too. What I can promise you though, is that if you watch all the content in this course and you do all of the exercises that I set for you and you just practice, you'll get there. Will it be easy? No, of course not. Will it be frustrating at times? Yeah, probably. Will it sink in straight away? Almost certainly not. But if you stick to it and you learn the content at your own pace, you'll be speaking conversational Reo Māori in no time. So, if you're up for the wero, then let's get straight into it. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.